morning, all students. Today, your English teacher again with you with a poem, The Road Not Taken. This poem is written by Robert Frost. This well known poem is about making choice and the choices that shapes us. Robert Frost is an American poet who writes simply about common, ordinary experiences. So, students, the Robert Frost, who is an American poet who writes very short and very simple poems. But all poems have their deep meaning. So, students, let's study the poem. The Road Not Taken. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both. But be one traveler, long I stood and looked down one as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. So, students, the poet reaches a point where the road divides in two. He faces the situation of uncertainty, that what should he choose, the first one or the second one. He thinks which road he should take to continue his journey, then took the other just as fair and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear, though as for that passing there had warned them really about the same. So, students, he is unable to decide which road to follow. He pauses for a long time. He gives careful thought to which path he should follow. Then he decides to choose that road which seems to be less traveled, and both that burning equally lay in leaves no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads to the way, I doubted if I should ever come back. So, students, he feels that it will make a big difference in his future. He decided to save the other roads for another day, though he knows that he will never get a chance to come back. He takes such a difficult decision. So, students, the writer thinks that he has taken a difficult decision and he thought that he would come back or not. I shall be telling this with a sea, somewhere ages and ages hence, two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less travelled by, and that has made all the difference. So, students, the speaker feels that after ages from now, he would be telling about his decision with the sea. He would be telling how the less frequent path had made all the difference in his life. Means, what differences he has got because he traveled on that path. Okay, so sometimes we take decision in our life, and after taking decision, after a long time ago, we come to know that we are at present because of that decision which was taken by us ourselves in past. I hope all of you have understood this poem. So, students, the central idea of this poem is there are two paths to follow, the one on which everyone walk and the other that is different from the first. The poet has to decide whether to follow the crowd or to make his own path in life. In end, he chooses the path that has not had many travelers. He can never know what would have happened to him if he had chosen the other path. Okay, students, I hope all of you have understood this poem. So, thank you for being with me.